Automotive workshop for sale, specialised in four-wheel drive. Burwood, Victoria. This is a rare opportunity to acquire a long-standing, well-equipped 4x4 accessory, installation and custom build workshop. Located in Melbourne's eastern suburbs, the business is walk-in ready with loyal customers in place. With a trading history of over 3 decades, this business boasts strong relationships across retail, trade and dealerships. Operating from a spacious workshop and showroom with main road frontage generating good revenue. The broad range of services include suspension upgrades, electrical systems, battery setups, GVM upgrades and more. There is no competing four-wheel drive accessory workshop nearby, offering a strong catchment and market advantage. Additional advantages include strong Google reviews and a fleet of loan vehicles, a rare offering in this industry. The current owner is hands-off, presenting a clear opportunity for a motivated buyer to scale revenue and profitability. This opportunity is perfect for an automotive specialist or a dealer group seeking a profit-generating accessory division. Businesses with this level of infrastructure and reputation are hard to replicate, making this a compelling high-value acquisition.